Hey everybody, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Letitia McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Letitia McKinney. Well, hello, friends, and thank you so much for tuning back in with your girl, Letitia. Do you remember about 3 weeks ago when we did these chargers? Okay, so we are going to glam it up just a little bit more, especially for my extra glamours out there. So let's get started in today's tutorial. We're going to be using this Dollar Tree charger. We've already done a Dollar Tree charger before, but however, I want to make it a little bit extra just in case you guys may see in the wedding. So make sure that you do have your flower mash wrap that we're going to be using. I've already measured it and just see how much I'm going to do. So let's start hot gluing this down together. Now first, add your hot glue right onto the center of your flower mash wrap on the back. Now when you're starting off, make sure that it's turned like in this direction, going in a circular motion. So that's what you want to do. Just start it off that way, and we're just going to go ahead and start hot gluing this all the way around. So let's get started. Okay, friends, so I'm going to stop right here. This is the reason. If you can see this, well, hopefully you can. Now, the flower mesh wrap is held together by some thread, okay? So if I was to go ahead and like stop right here, it's going to overlap. So I stop right here and I go ahead and cut some individual flower heads because I want everything to be uniformed. And I just go ahead and just place at least about three of them. You know, just give them one of them probably a little bit space. I'm going to show you while I'm hot gluing it down how it's going to look. But you want it to look uniform because I do not want to cut the flower mash wrap in between because it would be ununiform. So we want it to look, I know it's a Dollar Tree DIY, we want it to look as professional as possible. So now we're going to start on our second row. Now, it's two ways that you can do this. You can either go ahead and cut your flower mesh wrap, and you can start hot gluing it on just like this. Let me show you. You're just going to go ahead on, and we're just going to do two of them. And you're going to push it up when you're lying it down, like in between, right here, like in between each flower mesh wrap. So that's what you want to do, like in between each flower mesh wrap, just like that. Now, another way that you can do this, and I got this space right here because this is the one I'm using, just cutting off with the strand, and this is the one I'm using individually. Now, what we're doing here, you can go ahead and cut all of the flower heads into how many ever you want to cut them, you know, in whatever. If you use a Dollar Tree, it's going to take, I think I like 100 and something to do this. Like 119, and you're going to place it down right in the center just like that, and just place it down. Now that may be easier for you, but I was just like giving you two options of what you can do. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to finish this row on out, and we're going to do the second thing to the third row. Alright friends, so now it's time for you to decide, do you like the other chargers that we did about 3 weeks ago, or do you like the ones that we just did today? Let me know down below, and you already know what your girl gonna do. Get back with each and every last one of you. Have a blessed one. Bye.